Hey guys, well, I'm back on my feet again. I feel better. It took me another week to get my strength back, but I feel pretty good now. Just sitting here. I'm gonna finish up this video and get that out to you. This has been a 4 or 5 week video because I just didn't have it in me. But I'll finish this up for those of you who are interested, and I'll talk a little bit about what those little pans were in the tub of water in another video coming soon. But meanwhile, I've got some really cool stuff about batteries I've got to wrap up, so watch for that. But this here, I've got some cool modifications to make the Blue Bowl gold concentrator more stable, more reliable, and with less work. And I found some gold, so watch for that. Anyway, the point of this video is that I'm back on my feet again. A few days back I was out working outside. It was 43 degrees and mostly sunny, beautiful. Even the wind was warm even though there was snow on the ground. So I took advantage of that and got some work done outside. And hopefully I'll bring myself back up to making videos again. But I gotta be careful I don't, overdo it and get exhausted. So that's it. I got a few cool things to show you. So let's get to it. Over here I got batteries charging up. Got solar power cranking. Projects going on. I did a video outside. I don't know if that'll be before or after this one. Installing security lights. So that's a nice thing right there. That's a nice scene. Beautiful day. Melting. It's all compacting and melting. This was a rare and special day today. It's 43 degrees. T-shirt weather. The girls are making a snow. Wow, quite a face. You know that's gonna have to be picked up later, right?
With rocks.
Rocks in the yard. Oh, that has to be me, right? That's my hair.
No.
No. Is that you?
Yeah.
That's your hair?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We'll have to get the clippers out tonight and fix it for you.
Why?
To make your hair look like that. You want that?
I like it just how it is.
That's good. It's nice out today. Peeping Ken. Up to no good, I'm sure. Well, the day is coming to a close here at the homestead. Time to pull these in. There's something interesting. This one charger is defective and it bloated that one battery. I gotta mark that one so I know that one's defective. Well, that one's sparked. It's still charging. I can't believe these are still actually charging. These are good solar panels on here. Now it's still 42 degrees outside, but the batteries are sort of feeling colder. It's time to pull them in. Call it a day. This was a rare and special day out here at the homestead this time of year. So I'll take this in and get it out of the weather too.